How to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open run and then type in REGEDIT and then press on enter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply expand H key local and then expand software. In software, you'll find policies. Right click on policies and then click on new. Click on key, then add Google. After that, right click on Google and then add new key. In here, type in Chrome. After you've done that, simply click on right side and then press on new. Then click on D-word 32-bit. In here, add incognito mode availability. In here, make sure spelling is right. After that, right click on it and modify it. Make sure value is 1 and then press on OK. After you have done that, you're good to go. This is how to remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off. Until next time.